What is up, guys? This is the Narrow Chaser coming at you with another tutorial video. This one will be on how to do GHETTO spreads. And we're going to be doing this on the stock Disney. Shout out to my boy for the alert. This one's for you, my man. And for everyone else watching, I will be teaching you how to do the GHETTO spread. So, basically what the GHETTO spread is, it is a bullish strategy, and it is a way to secure profit and being able to secure even more profit afterwards. So say you invest an initial amount, you can secure that amount you initially invested it and let the rest ride. So what you would do, you start this strategy by buying one option call or an option put, and you do that by viewing all options. So first you would buy a call. So you can see I have 3 of the 185 and 1 of the 187.50. So what I did, I'll just go up here and show you. So you initially buy a call, and then when you own the call, you would select the next strike price above. So you see the 190 for 37. When the stock price rises, that 192.50 will eventually be worth $37, while the 190 price will increase as well. So in that case, you would select the 192.50, and it'll be at $37. That's your initial investment that you're going to collect back. And then when it comes to it, when you finally close out the strike or close out the play, you see this total credit. That's the additional money you will still earn from that play. So this is a great way if you do not have a day trade. This will save you. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section below. Drop a like. Thank you again to my boy for the alert on Disney. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time.